CPG industry is under tremendous pressure. Forecasts show rising machining product demand through all end-user industries, from internal and emerging markets. Moreover, most of these products are based on new technologies and innovative materials, pushing the introduction of more flexible machine tools, which have to be managed with flexible processes. Growing pressure over declining margins due to continuous price increases of raw materials, and finished goods lowering prices due to competition from the emerging markets. Global higher standards requirements are forcing new levels of innovation for engineering and manufacturing to meet government legislations and industry-specific regulations. If we look specifically at the production improvement, the top 3 company pressures are higher demand, flexibility, and predictability. These sources of pressure are generating a lot of big questions to the manufacturers, and they need support to transform these challenges into opportunities. Production scheduling is intrinsically very difficult due to the high number of different possible scenarios, with even a few number of items to be produced and a few working stations. As an example, with only 5 stations on the line, there are 120 possible routing combinations. If we double the lines, the combination raises up to 14,400. Then we need to consider the constraints, setup time, and material restrictions, and the game is already almost impossible to manage. On top of the realization of the planning itself, we clearly see the internal goals that put extra difficulty on the planner's shoulders. Sales work side by side with customers and tend to think in their way as if the capacity of the company is infinite and quick to reach changes. Production is complaining about the wrong forecast and not capable to really react to outer world changes. And finance only see the cost impact of these ping-pong games and is not really in the right conditions to understand where to place investments to manage the situation. An APS system is connected with all other systems and resources in the plan and assigns a place and a time to each of them during a production. Due to these dependencies, decisions taken by the scheduler affect all of the other actors' performances singularly and the overall plant efficiency in general. By balancing the optimization rules and the constraints, you can focus your optimizing on one or more aspects which are critical factors for your company mission. Using an APS as a proven track record of improving productivity, reducing WIP and raw materials, reducing cycle times, and improving customer service. Siemens' APS solution is Op Center Scheduling. It can be fully integrated with ERP, PLM, and MES systems, granting alignment and synchronization throughout the company. It allows you to have optimized scheduling across all organizations in a collaborative way. It supports several scheduling scenarios, enabling collaborative and heuristics scheduling process. Has constraint models embedded that can be further customized for each application. It is a solution capable of progressive implementation and allowing companies to gradually evolve skills and processes in order to fully exploit their potential. Op Center APS uses algorithms to analyze and calculate achievable production schedules, taking into account a range of constraints and business rules, allowing the planner to generate and evaluate multiple possible scenarios. It allows you to adjust your plans in response to changes in demand, material availability, equipment failure, or labor availability, all faster than you can do with a spreadsheet. It generates solutions that increase your performance against your value drivers. You can start small and then grow with an agile approach. Our APS solution is part of Op Center portfolio that integrates from all functional MOM domains, such as manufacturing execution system, manufacturing intelligence, advanced planning and scheduling, quality and research development, and laboratory. Op Center portfolio allows you to bridge PLM and automation and enables customers to implement strategies for the complete digitalization and integration of their product and production life cycles.